Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to program Volvo XC60 key fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with doors closed and ignition off, holding both the original and new fob. Insert the original key and turn to I then back to 0 3 times, ending in 0. Press lock on the original fob, then press lock on the new fob to pair it with the car's system. In this video, I will explain how to program Volvo XC60 key fob. After confirming doors are closed, turn the original key to I 3 times and finish in 0 to enter programming mode. You should then press the lock button on the original fob within 5 seconds to activate pairing. Next, press the lock button on the new fob. Wait for the horn chirp or lock flash to confirm registration is successful and repeat if needed. In this video, I will explain how to program Volvo XC60 key fob. Quick recommendation: if you do small car tasks, try those leak-proof meal prep containers for keeping bolts and snacks organized and spill-free, great for the trunk or garage. They're sturdy, stackable, and save cleanup time. If you want the exact product, check the description for the link and other deals. And if this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to program Volvo XC60 key fob. If the fob does not register, check the battery and retry the exact turning and button timing with doors closed. Try using another original key if available, as some keys may be inactive. When all else fails, contact a professional or dealer for diagnostic help, since they can use dedicated tools to program fobs that won't register with the on-car method.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.